Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 2, continuation of exercise 2.5, no problem number 13. In a winter season, let us take the temperature of Ooty from Monday to Friday to be in arithmetic progression. The sum of temperatures from Monday to Wednesday is 0 degrees Celsius, and the sum of the temperature from Wednesday to Friday is 18 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature on each of the 5 days. So look at the table. All the 5 days I have written except Saturday and Sunday. Temperature of Ooty, since the temperatures are in arithmetic progression, just I have written the first 5 terms of arithmetic progression. You know that A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Now by data, sum of the temperature from Monday to Wednesday is 0 degree. It is given. Look at that. Monday to Wednesday is 0 degree. Then Wednesday to Friday is 18 degree. So by data, given sum of the temperatures from Monday to Wednesday, that is equal to 0 degree Celsius, which implies for Monday temperature A, Tuesday A plus D, and Wednesday A plus 2D. We have to add all the three. A plus D plus A plus 2D, that is equal to 0 degree Celsius. You can write 0. A plus A, that is a 3A. D plus 2D, that is equal to 3D, that is equal to 0. Now we can divide by 3. If we divide, 3 get cancelled, A, 3 get cancelled, D, that is equal to 0. Okay? Which implies I am retaining A in the left hand side, plus D comes right hand side, minus D. Let it be equation number 1. Now second condition, sum of the temperatures from Wednesday to Friday, that is equal to 18 degrees Celsius. Monday, Wednesday, here Wednesday, Friday. Okay, Wednesday to Friday. Wednesday temperature A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, then A plus 4D. 2D, 3D and 4D. So have to add A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus 4D, that is equal to 18. A plus A, that is equal to 3A. 2D plus 3D is 5D. 5D plus 4D, that is equal to 9D. That is equal to 18. 3, 9, 18, all the 3 numbers can be divided by 3. If we divide 3 get cancelled A. 9 by 3, that is equal to 3, 3D. 18 by 3, that is equal to 6. Which implies this A can be replaced by minus D. Look at that, A that is equal to minus D. So minus D plus 3D, that is equal to 6. Since A that is equal to minus D, or you can write since from first equation. Okay. So 3D minus D, that is equal to 2D. 2D, that is equal to 6, which implies D that is equal to 6 upon 2, which implies D that is equal to 3. 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Okay, we got the value of D here. Substitute the value of D in equation number 1 to get the value of A. Equation 1 implies what is in that equation number 1? A that is equal to minus D. A that is equal to minus D. D value is 3. Okay. Since D that is equal to 3. Highlight that. Now temperature of Ooty on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday can be written now. Therefore, temperature of Ooty on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday equals. That is already I mentioned, this is A, this one is A plus D, this one is A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D equals. Okay, now A value, what's the value of A? Minus 3. A value minus 3, D value is plus 3. Okay, A value minus 3 plus 2 into plus 3. A value minus 3 plus 3 into plus 3. A value minus 3 plus 4 into plus 3 equals minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. Then minus 3 plus 2 3s are 6, that is equal to 3. Minus 3 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Minus 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. So you have to write 9 and minus 3 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius, 6 degrees Celsius and 9 degrees Celsius from Monday to Friday. That's all. Problem number 13 is completed, and I'll be teaching problem number 14 in the next video. Thank you, children.